Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this drain pipe kit for our sink drain. SHUY Siphon Odor proof sink drain fitting kit with a flexible drain hose and the pop-up filter drain plug. It can be extended from 300mm up to 1000. And we have a sink drain fitting. The SHUY sink drain set consists of the high quality pop-up sink plug made of stainless steel, a drain valve, and a high temperature and a corrosion-resistant flexible retractable drain hose. It's suitable for bathroom sink drain holes with 1.25 inches or 1.5 inches drain hole diameter. The drainage and the odor design comes with that. The drain fittings for the siphon bathroom sink are equipped with a double odor-inhibiting and a drainage design. When there is no drainage, the movable odor-resistant core closes automatically to block odors. And it's really easy to clean. This sink drain pipe kit comes with a filter-proof drain plug that catches hair and small parts to avoid clogging the drain hose. And we say goodbye to clogged kitchen sink drains with this sink drain pipe kit. It is flexible and expandable, thus minimizing the need for additional joints, while its wear and fade-resistant materials ensures durability. The materials are stainless steel, ABS, and silicone gel. The color here, as you can see, is black and, of course, stainless steel. What you can see. Diameter is 32mm. The length from 300 up to 1000mm stainless steel drain plug. Siphon anti-odor design. Hair can be collected, easy to install. Suitable for waste fitting without overflow and waste fittings with overflow. Flexible drain hose can be stretched from 300 up to 1000mm. And it's easy, as you can see, to install it. We insert the drain. Then we put on the silicone ring. And we tighten the drainer. We tighten the drainer top. Job's done. Easy peasy, as you can see. We have a universal piece trap for 1 up to 1/4 inches or 1 up to 1.5 inches drain hole. We measure the diameter of the drain hole before the installation process begins. We install 2 small seal rings in 1/4 inches. And we install 1.5 inches, cut off the part of the square area, and we insert the trap into the drain hole after we installing the seal ring. And after this, we can easy peasy begin with our work to use this drain pipe kit for sink drains. SHUY Siphon Odor proof sink drain fitting kit with flexible drain hose and a pop-up filter drain plug. Extendable. Really easy to install. And it makes a good job. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.